What up, tubers? This is Ray, the old DOS Geek, Railroad Computers since 1996. Okay, I know I normally do affiliate marketing websites and bridge pages, leads pages, and all that stuff, and teaching people how to do this, but I'm getting a lot of questions about eBay and Mercari. Okay, so I got a listing on eBay here, okay, that I'm just starting out. Alright, most people know that you can, do these photos like this, okay. The main thing is you want to try and take the best photo you can, so you don't have to do all this adjusting. Because really on eBay the numbers count, okay, meaning that you want to put hundreds, if not thousands, of items on eBay to do any kind of ranking or anything like that, okay. So basically, in here, I really can't migrate these pictures. In other words, years ago, you used to be able to copy the image address here, okay. So you can't do it anymore because of their new platform, okay. What I wanted to show you today, like I want to have this free shipping, right? Now, eBay's platform is pretty in-depth, let's just say, okay. Now, I've always favored HTML because I'm the old DOS geek, of course. We used to do everything in Notepad and all that stuff. So, then, I'm going to put a lot more in here. This is just for the sake of showing you this little trick, okay. Now, you want to make that stand out. You want to make it bold, islactic, right? Now, in here, it's like a word processor. It's great. I could put it here, I could put it here, just like a word processor, right? I can't underline it. Now, is anybody that's ever used Microsoft Office and they know the shortcut keys, if I were to highlight this, right, and hold the control button, right, and push bold, it's going to undo the bold. Push the, B for bold, I for islactic, right? Now, also, you can do U, okay, for underline, okay? Now, when you underline things, it makes it stand out, of course, okay? That's the old DOS Geek, tricks of the trade. Now, I'm going to put a color here now. In some of my other videos, I showed you about the emotional colors. Blue is trust color, orange is like a trust color, green is a trust color, red is a sense of urgency. Okay, red is a sense of urgency. Okay, if I were to put ships free today, right? I should put that all in caps letters. Ships free today, people are going to think that it's only today, right? So I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to give it a color. So I want to get as close to possible as red. Now on every computer that's going to be different, but that looks like a maroon to me. Okay, so now there's tons of places online to get what they call a hex code for colors. Okay, got it in my tools. Hex codes. Uh-oh, wait a minute. We don't want to do that. Let's go back. Gotta love eBay. They save everything. Alright, open in a new window, DOS Geek. New tab, okay? So, let me show you this. This is just rgb.to/hex. I'll leave a link in the description, okay? And you type your color value. That's in hex code, okay? So now I happen to know the color for red, okay? That ain't it. I think I was supposed to use the downside. Yeah, we're going to be there. Okay, so that's for red. And it shows you all the different formats of it, in case you need it. Okay? Again, I'll have that link in the description. So if I come down here, it's not exactly red. It's not really a choice, and there's no way that I could save it. Okay? In the color scheme, there's no way. Like a lot of times, you can save a color and so forth, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go here. Well, I already changed the color, right? And even if there's a lot of code in here, there's a lot of stuff in here, you should still be able to find it. So you're gonna show the HTML code, okay? And you're gonna look for the color. The hexadecimal color. Okay, the computer code color. So I already know the red. It's FFOOOO. O is in 0. Never be the letter O. Okay, it's 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. Boom. There it is. Okay, so underline, hold the control, hit the letter U. Underline goes away. U comes back. B for bold. Okay, I for Islactic. Okay, and you're good. All right, now, and you could do it all in HTML with the HTML editor as well. You can't put a link in there. eBay won't accept a link unless you've got a store, like a paying store. I'm still using, my 50 free, even though they give me a lot more now, because I've been on it forever. But I use a free eBay account. For a long time now, I've been using a free eBay account. Okay, so boom. So now I want to migrate this over to Mercari. Okay, I'm going to copy the image address. I'm going to come to Mercari. I'm going to add a listing. Okay. Now I've been doing both, and you really got to kind of be careful. Okay. Let me go to my eBay. My eBay listings. Do it like this. Open a new link. Okay. We'll go here. And I've been on eBay back and forth for a long time, recently was doing the retail arbitrage drop shipping with another company, and I got kicked off since COVID thing going on. So here's my Mercari listings, right? Here's my eBay. Let me go into my summary. Let's see where I'm at here with this. That's not it either. Hold on. Let me do this. There we go. Okay. So my active listings, and again, I only have like a couple hundred that I could do. So on the Mercari, as you could see, I haven't listed the sunglasses yet. I have this literally the same ones. Okay, some less on Mercari. With certain knives they won't accept. Very odd. Okay, so when you do that, you also got to be very careful. Like, if something sells on eBay, you got to immediately delete it off of Mercari, or at least deactivate it. Okay. Because if you got only one item or something, if you got multiple items, that's great too, So back at the ranch, I'm going to click here. I'm going to right click this. I'm going to copy the image. And again, I see a lot of YouTubers who are non-DOS Geek. They tell you to download the picture and then re-upload it. Just going to right click here. We're going to go here. Well, sometimes a window will pop up here making it look like you're going to sign in. I'm hoping to duplicate it again. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Okay, and I got a couple other things I want to get rid of for now. Okay, so let's see if we can make this happen for us here. I don't want to make this video too long. Copy image address, go to Mercari. And this will work on most things. It works on eBay. Okay, like if there was a stock image from the internet you can use, or your own website. Okay, but I wouldn't advise you copying other people's images. Okay, so let's go to another one. Copy image address. I don't think I'm going to be able to duplicate the scenario in this. Okay, paste. But let's see if we could do it. This is an odd one. I'm just trying to duplicate the scenario for you. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Okay, one more try. Copy image address. Add image. Now what I do is I edit all my images on eBay because the Mercari's editing thing isn't quite as good as eBay. Alright, so I wasn't able to duplicate it. Let me try one more thing. See if I can find an actual picture. It's not going to happen. Try it on this one. And again, what will happen is a window would pop up right in here. And like that. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Now, some people cancel it. Some people exit out. Okay. You're just going to hit OK once, OK twice, and you're in. Okay, got it? Now, in Mercari, this is more basic forms. These are called forms. This is called a text box, text area, paragraphed area. Okay. Now, Mercari is, I wouldn't say primitive compared to eBay, but I would say limited. Okay. Because it's a great system, Mercari. I absolutely love it. Again, we've only been on it for like a week or so. Okay. My wife and I, she makes jewelry and does stuff like that. So here's a little trick for this, because I hate these little boxes like this. Okay. So now from here, I could just migrate my eBay stuff. Now it's not going to keep the format. We can't do any kind of HTML or anything fancy like that. But we can make a nice ad. Okay. So there's a little tricks. Some HTML. Some, easy migrating images from eBay to Mercari, or from whatever, even your website, if you want to go migrate a picture. Copy image address. Let's put the old Geek on Mercari. Probably going to break the thing. That's actually an old picture of me. That's a 10-year-old picture of me. Oh, goodness. How life goes on. Alright. Forget you, old Geek. Okay, and again, they're limited on, their how to adjust the pictures. You know what I mean? So I guess I gotta get the chin in there. Alright. So there you have it. A couple of, like I said, little tricks of the trade. Some HTML stuff going on with eBay and Mercari. Okay. Do your best. Take your time. Slow and steady wins the race. Remember, you're in business to create a loyal customer. The money always comes in. Create a loyal customer. Okay. We all do these platforms and with visions of grandeur, wanting to be successful and wanting to tell our boss to go stick it. Okay. Have patience. Don't listen to these guys that tell you you don't need any skills to do this stuff. because you do need skills to do this stuff. It's not a matter of just, taking a picture and putting stuff up and putting a price tag on it, okay? Reach out to whatever platform you're on. Go on to their help files and their information. A lot of them have YouTube channels now. A lot of them have, videos and stuff like that. Don't get discouraged. Again, take your time, but be an honest merchant. Always be an honest merchant. Don't steal no copyrighted stuff or anything like that. If you want any questions, leave them down below. Shoot me an email through one of my websites, okay? You sign up for any of my systems, any of my programs, that the things that I sell or anything, you get free tech support for life, okay? So this is Ray, the old DOS geek, Rayware Computers since 1996. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe and to hit that notification button, because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you guys. Take care.